Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix voice chat not working on Rainbow Six Siege. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up settings on your computer or sound settings, and make sure that output and input device is the right microphone that you use, and also it has from 50 to 100 basically volume here, right? And then what you need to do here is to go to more sound settings, not more sound settings, volume mixer, and then you need to run the game and make sure that for you the game is also set up on default or the right output and input device. Make sure that this also have plenty of sound, and make sure that this, for example, this sound icon is not on mute, right? And after you did this, then we need to go to the game and do more things. And on game, when you load the game, you need to press on the settings bar here, go to options, go to audio, make sure that input and output device is the right microphone and sound system or headphones that you use, and then make sure that master volume is not on 0 or 2, or like I do here because I just record the video. Make sure it's from 70 to 100, and then scroll down and make sure that voice chat volume also is from 50 to 100, and then scroll down until you see you can select voice chat record mode, push to talk. So basically when you talk, you can bind a button, and then when you press the button you will talk, or you can basically make it to open. So basically it will always catch your voice when you talk in game, but make sure also it's not on disabled. And voice chat record volume, make sure to make it on 100, and voice chat threshold, make sure to not make it to 100, make it to 15, maybe to 30, or even less, right? And then everything should work fine. So that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.